The old HCB Sueños, a beautiful boat, always a formidable adversary for Haulover Inlet every time it comes through. Welcome back, crew, to Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida in a 5-round competition to see who can be victorious. And this will bring us to the first round of our competition, where the first competitor to step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet today is going to be a Midnight Express. Let's see how our captain fares as they step in the ring. And they've decided to add a little extra level of complexity to this by going ahead and throwing some bow riders in the boat. It's kind of a rough day here at Haulover, probably not the spot you want to be sitting in. Let's see how this crew fares as they stay in the bow. So Cap keeps on the throttles, working his way out of the inlet, gets some air, and we've got 2 girls down on the deck, and it also looks like our guy lost his solo cup. Here you can see he had his hand over the boat, lost the solo cup off to the left-hand side of the screen, and we wind up with 2 girls face down on the deck. Man, this is a rough exit for this crew. Unfortunately for them, this Midnight's going to wind up taking a loss for the boats here in the first round. And that's going to bring us to the second round of our competition, with Haulover up 1-0 early. But don't worry, the boats are going to throw a heavyweight in the ring here in the second round, as we're going to see an HCB Sueños stepping in the ring. And Cap makes an interesting move. He winds up moving the ladies to the bow of the boat right before they get to the mouth of Haulover. Let's see how that one plays out. The Sueños is a big boat, so it's got all the tools it needs to do battle with Haulover even on a rough day. I mean, this is definitely a heavyweight stepping in the ring in this round. As long as Captain keeps up on these throttles, keeps that bow up, and lets the boat do the work, they shouldn't have an issue, and in fact they don't, and they wind up taking a win for the boats here in the second round, bringing us to a 1-1 tie as we move into the third round of our contest, where we're going to feature a Chaperel. Yes, I said that right. A Chaperel is going to step in the ring and try and do battle with the inlet today, and it's a rough day for a boat like this to be working its way out. Let's see how they fare. So they hit the first wave, they're okay. The ladies look like they're having fun, but I think they stuffed it there. And they're going to come in, and if they didn't stuff it the first time, I think that second one definitely got them. Here we'll see the replay. They come over the top of the first wave, and right there, yes, it is a light stuffing, and our girl winds up getting a little air, but they hit the second wave, going to dive back into the trough, and this one gets them as well. As Haulover proves to be just a little bit too much for this deck boat on a day like today. Unfortunately for this crew, they're going to wind up taking a loss for the boats, and that's going to give Haulover the 2-1 edge as we move into the fourth round of our competition, where we're going to have a Maxum stepping in the ring to try and do battle with the inlet. Let's see how this crew fares. Again, another small boat, which is going to make for an interesting round. I mean, this boat probably should go down, but this captain I can already see is doing something a little unexpected, and that is he's not going down the middle. He's hugging the north side of the inlet, which tells me the captain's got a little experience in this and probably is going to be okay. So he starts working his way out. They're taking a couple rough pops, but to be honest, they're pretty much out of the worst of it, and I'm assuming they're going to make that turn north and everything's going to be just fine, and this crew will wind up taking a win for the boats by surprise here in the fourth round. I'm the first one to admit, when I saw this vessel coming out, I thought for sure, no way, this was it. Haulover was going to take an early win, but no, the boats crawl back into this. We are now tied at 2 apiece as we move into the fifth and final round of our competition, where we're going to have an NX stepping in the ring to try and close it out for the boats. Who will take the win? Will it be the boats or Haulover? Let's go. And our crew is starting to work their way out. Cap's got the boat barely up on plane, which is about the right pace for a boat of this size on a day like today. He just wants to keep those throttles just at the right point to keep that bow up so they don't wind up stuffing it. It's going to be a rough day for anybody. You're going to take a little bit of a licking going out. All you can do is try and control the throttles and the angle of the way you attack the waves to try and keep that licking down to a minimum. And our guy's actually doing a really solid job of that. Really quite surprising on a day like today. You can see the white caps in the background. It is a rough day, but our guy's going to make it out. Wind up taking a win for the boats, and the boats will take a win in this episode. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that features all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.